friends, welcome to another video on profit in equities. In this video, we'll be talking about an unknown small cap which Ramesh Damani has been silently holding for the last few years. Now this is not our own research, this was done by Meet and we'll be providing a link to his Twitter handle in the description section. Please follow him for more such insights. Now the company in question is Oricon Enterprises Limited, which is available at 31.10 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is ORICONENT. Now Oricon Enterprises Limited is a holding company engaged in the business of manufacturing of pentanes, liquid colorants and PET bottles. The company's segments include logistics, automobiles, packaging, real estate, petrochemical, trading, liquid colorants and others. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has been a dog of a stock and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The company has corrected more than 50% from its all-time high and a lot of wealth erosion has already happened here. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 488.42 crores. The EPS of 1.39 translates into a reasonable price to earnings ratio of 22.37, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 20.70. The price to book ratio of 1.06 is however very cheap. The company has a debt to equity of 0.8096, whereas the return on equity for this stock is 0.0449. The dividend yield here is 1.61%, whereas the promoter holding is also a strong factor and stands at a figure of 65.68%. Now friends, a word of caution, this information has been retrieved from the annual report and quite some time has elapsed since the information came out. So please exercise your own due diligence and always go ahead and perform your own research while acting on any of the information that you ever see on this channel. Please treat this and all other videos on this channel only as news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.